Alright guys, in this video we're going to put two-step on the Camaro.
Thunderbird.
On the Thunderbird.
Yeah.
Looks like you got a leak.
Alright, so
What do you want about right there?
I'm gonna get up in here and fuck with it up. Maybe easy for you right there. Maybe. Oh hell. It's like a mustard there. Donuts. What the hell they at? Oh, he's like a tuner hell, eh? About right here, then we good.
Alright, we got it mounted to the side of the airbox. And hooked up to the cool. Now we just gotta hook up the button inside. Alright, we got the button hooked up right here.
Oh, trigger out the shadow there. Fire missiles, baby.
Right where the lighter used to be. Alright. Alright guys, that was the two-step install. The rest of the video is going to be putting the headers on that he bought from Texas Speed and doing a cat delete. And then he's going to get it loaded up and go get it dyno tuned. So let's continue with the video.
There we go.
Dang, bro.
Yeah, man. Quality well there. Oh, you grind it down, everything good. And no birds, nothing like that. Real clean.
Oh, yeah.
No bird turds on the well.
No bird turds.
Those are the catalytic converters. Off-road connection pipes we call it.
Alright, here's a before shot. Pretty tight in there.
Is that a little better on here because of the steering shaft right
Got
there.
these fuel lines in the way. Yeah, it looks like you got more room on this side.
Yeah, well, underneath that steering shaft, but really that's not really a big deal. A lot better that side.
Right.
A little toasty there. Look at that, number one. She's in there. This is a little Loctite bolts. They ain't rusty all inside. You see that PV blaster penetrated pretty good though.
Yeah.
Damn,
Good stuff.
I think it's gonna penetrate that good, honestly. But you know what? Sure as hell it is. That should be easier. The only thing is the damn clamp. I was trying to keep it on that side, but it won't come off. That's alright. We'll fix it. Oh,
There's one.
it's a there's one. Yeah. Alright, we gotta get that clamp off. Stuck in that thing a little bit.
Alright, the driver's side, we ended up having to take it apart to get it out. I couldn't take it out in one piece. We got her there. Got some oxygen sensor extenders. We'll put them on first.
Alright. How's this side look? I guess it's...
This end.
Yes, this one right here?
Yeah.
I couldn't see. I didn't know what you pulled out. I couldn't tell this what. There you go.
This side I broke, so it's up here where you can get to it nice and easy.
I'm trying to see where the damn tab goes into now. Alright. What side do you want to start with? Driver's side or passenger side? Hard
That
to
one?
probably the driver's side.
You already got your hand on that.
Alright. Just get this fed up through there first.
Yeah, that's how we get it fed up and get the gasket on, some bolts started.
Oh man, I think it goes like this, right?
Yeah, we
Turbo.
shoot them up out of the hood.
Turbo set up. Shit. That way you can just... I guess. That's what they do, isn't it? For turbo so they...
Yeah, kind of like that.
Tighter on this side. Cut, boy.
Be nice to have a lift.
Yeah. Well, another thing about that though is your arm gets tired sticking up there on that. Still.
Yeah, that wasn't bad at all, was it? All right, hold on a second.
Pretty good.
All right, we got this one in. Still got to tighten down the bolts, but looking good.
Well, it's nothing, man. Look at that. Look at all that flow right there. You want to compare it to the old one? There's the difference. Look at all that stuff inside of it. Even where it catches down here, see where it's only, that's only like what? Maybe 2 inches? That's where it's supposed to, that's 3.
Let me finger your bunghole.
Getting up under the car with
Yeah, just slide it across there, it'll be all right.
Oh, shit. Shimmy over a little bit. Oh, yeah.
Oh, hell.
Take a look real quick.
There you go.
There you go.
Oh, yeah. All right. That wasn't too bad.
That's all. That's the biggest thing I was worried about.
All right, we just finished up.
Oh, shit. Oh.
Come on there.
Bam. Alright. Alright. I think that's everything in. Probably can run like shit.
Yeah.
Maybe it might not.
Is it even gonna start?
I don't know.
That should start.
Huh?
It should start, I guess.
Holy shit. God, dang. Might get him up on.
the two-step. Oh yeah. That sounded good.
Yeah.
That's a lot better than what it sounded like the other night. Alright, we're gonna load it up so we can take it to the dyno. It's my son's new car. They traded his 240 for a Subaru. The Green Goblin. There it goes, off to the dyno. Alright guys, that's it for this one. Till next time, see you!